Good day to all of you. Welcome to ODL session. This is Managing Economics class week 4 lecture 7. Today we are going to discuss a case study relating to demand forecasting. How to predict the future sales. Let us get into the class. The case study is they have given sales value for 5 years and we have to project the sales value for the future period. The case study goes like this. The following table depicts the value of sales for the last 5 years. From 2017 to 2021 they have given the sales value in thousand. So in 2017 it is 45,000, in 2018 it is 52,000, in 2019 it is 48,000, in 2020 it is 55,000 and in 2021 it is 60,000. So based on this information they are asking us to construct the demand forecasting report by using the methods of least squares. And the second question is find the projected value of the sales for using trend projected method for the future period, 7th period. 2023 we can have. Now let us start the solution. What is the method of least squares? There are two equations we should keep in mind. We have to write this equation. This is called methods of least squares. The first one is summation of y equal to n into a plus b into summation x. This is equation number 1. The second equation is summation of xy equal to a into summation of xy equal to a into summation of x plus b into summation of x square. So this is the two basic equation for the methods of least squares. So here 5 things we have to calculate. What is that? Summation of y, summation of x, summation of xy, summation of x square. These 5 we have to calculate. Sales value already given. So we are constructing the table. There are 5 years, 2017, 18, 19, 20 and 21. So totally 5 years. Here n is 5. Already we are having the sales value for these 5 years. That is the second column. So we will treat this as y. Adding these 5 years sales value, that is summation of y. Then first year, that is 2017 is a base year. So that is equal to 1. 2018 base year is 2017, so 2018 is the second year. Likewise we have to increase first year, second year, third year, fourth year and fifth year, like that. That is the x value. And the fourth column is x square. Third column square is third column square is the fourth column. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16 and 5 square 25. Then what is xy? Second column is y, third column is x. Multiply the second column with the third column, we can get the xy. 45 into 1, 45. 52 into 2 is 104. 48 into 3 is 144. And 55 into 4 is 220. And 60 into 5, 300. So given in the sum. The rest of the 3, x, x square and xy, we have calculated. When you add these, there are 5 years, n equal to 5. Then summation y is 45 plus 52 plus 48 plus 55 plus 60, which is equal to summation y equal to 260. Then similarly add the x value, that is summation x, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So summation x equal to 15. Then summation x square is add these 5 values, 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 25. Summation x square is 55. Then the last column is summation xy. When you add those 5 values, 45, 104, 144, 220 and 300. So the total of these 5 values, summation xy equal to 830. So we are going to use these 5 values by applying in the two equation. Which equation? These two. Summation y equal to n into a, b into summation x, xy equal to a into summation x plus b into summation y. So we are having n value 5, summation y is 15, sorry, 260. Summation x is 5a, and summation xy is 813. We have to substitute these values. That is, summation xy is 55. Substituting these values, we can form the third equation and the fourth equation. 260 equal to 5a plus 15b. This is equation number 3. 813 equal to 15a plus 55b. It is equation number 4. We can solve these two equations. In the third equation, it is 5a. In the fourth equation, it is 15a. In order to equalize these two of a value, multiply the first equation into 3. What will happen? 260 into 3, 780. 5a into 3, 15a. And 15b into 3, 45b. So the third equation will become 780 equal to 15a plus 45b. Solving these two equations, we can get 33 equal to 10b. So the b value will be 33 by 10, 3.3. Once we got this value 3.3, we can substitute in any one of the equation. We will apply this value in first equation. So 260 equal to 5a plus 15. Instead of b, we are putting 3.3. What will happen? 260 equal to 5a plus 49.5, because 15 into 3.3, 49.5. So a value is 42.1. So what is the simple regression equation? Y equal to a plus bx. It's y equal to a value is 42.1 and b value is 3.3x. So this is the simple regression equation by using the method of least square methods. So using this particular value, when we change the x value, we can get the y value. Here y is a dependent variable, x is a independent variable. By estimating the value from 2017 to 23, you can substitute a value and b value. For 2017, 42.1 plus 3.3 in the first year 1. So it is 45.1. For 2018, change the value of x to, then it will be 48.7. For 2019, it will be 52. So likewise, we have to increase. For 2013, the x value is 7. So 42.1 plus 3.3 into 7. When we add these value, we can get, that is 21.9 plus 42.1, we can get 65.2 will be the value. So the trend projection of sales through least square method for the year 2023 will be 65.2 thousand. This is the way we have to solve. In semester and examination, they may change the sales value, but the method is the same. How to do? First, you have to write those two equations. Summation y equal to n into a plus b into summation x. Summation xy equal to summation y plus summation xy. That equation you should write. Then you have to calculate. First two column is given, year and the sales value. X, x square and xy you have to calculate. And then solve either simultaneous equation or by substitution method. Find the value of a and b, and then apply those values and get the solution of it by writing the simple regression equation y equal to a plus bx. With this, I am completing the class. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. I am Dr. S.Chandrachud, Professor and Head, Department of Economics, School of Management Studies and Commerce, Well Institute of Science and Technology and Advanced Studies. This is my email ID and this is my contact number. Goodbye. Until then, we will meet in the next class. Thank you for watching the video.